Yes, you're almost welcome to the Miles Digital Academy. And right now, I want us to look at how to create a new Excel worksheet, a new Excel file from scratch. Step one is you can come to the Windows button and then look at Excel, open the Excel application, and then you can choose from the application whether you want to create uh, new a new blank Excel worksheet, whether you can choose from very many templates that come up along with Excel. You can see according to your need. But as of now, we want to create a blank Excel worksheet. Don't mind about my screen; it is in dark mode. And yeah, right now I have not created a file. I have just created a program. So if I want to create a file, I come here to File and then choose Save As. When I choose Save As, I come and choose a file location. I want the file to be created on my computer, and I'll create it on the desktop. Then from there, I'll give it a name, a file name, as you can see. And maybe I'll choose to give it, maybe I'll give it Miles. Then you can also give it your name, then the type of file is that. And then, remember, I already saved the desktop. You can see from the path here, it is on the desktop. And then there, I will have created the file. Then I click Save. Then when we come to our desktop and check, we shall be able to see that this is the file. That is one way. Then the second way is I come to my desktop and then I right click. After right clicking, I come to new, and then on new, after the very many new files I can create is the Excel, Microsoft Excel worksheet. So I come and click it. Then my next step will be giving it a name. Then still I can say I'm giving it Miles 2. Then I enter. Then I would have created a new Excel worksheet. Thank you for following and watching. I wish to see you next time. Please subscribe to my channel, like the videos and comment, share. Thank you so much.